Let's talk about create Hello World application in TypeScript using Visual Studio Code. We will go through step by steps demo. Let me go to Visual Studio or command prompt. Remove the existing folder or creating the new folder called Hello World 1. Creating new folder called Hello World 1. Go to the Hello World 1 folder. From here, launch the code. Code is launched. Create the new file. Save the file. Hello World .ts. Start with the let message message string equals hello world semicolon. Next, console dot log message semicolon. That's it. Your program is over. Now go to terminal, compile it, tsc hello world, the file name, ts. So compilation is going on. Once compiled, it will create the hello world.js file. It is created. The difference between the ts and js is here you will see let, and the type of the string message is string. You don't see that in the variable. Now if you can easily run this JavaScript file from node, let me to run it, you type node hello world.js. Okay, you can see that hello world is getting printed. So this is how you can create the first TypeScript applications. So we will see the other feature in the next video. In the meantime, if you have any questions, please add it in the comments and subscribe and tap the bell notification. Thank you for watching.